Do multivitamins replace a healthy diet?
Many people wonder if multivitamins can make up for a diet lacking in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. With shelves full of supplement options, it's easy to believe that a single pill could fill nutritional gaps. But what does science say about swapping a balanced diet for a daily multivitamin?
What are multivitamins?
Multivitamins are dietary supplements that contain a mix of essential vitamins and minerals. They're designed to help people meet the recommended daily intake when it's hard to do so through food alone. However, the formulas and dosages can vary widely, and not all nutrients are equally absorbed from supplements.
Can multivitamins compensate for poor diet?
Research shows that multivitamins provide some nutrients, but they can't fully replace whole foods. Foods offer not only vitamins and minerals, but also fiber, antioxidants, and hundreds of plant compounds that work together to support health, benefits you can't get from pills alone.
What do health experts recommend?
Most health authorities emphasize a balanced diet over reliance on supplements. Multivitamins may help people with specific deficiencies or increased nutritional needs, but they aren't a shortcut to good health. Relying only on supplements may lead to missing other important nutrients found in whole foods.
The bottom line:
multivitamins are not a substitute for a healthy diet. They may help fill some gaps for certain people, but they can't provide all the benefits of real foods. For lasting health, experts recommend focusing on a varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats.